Hi! In front of me is CUBOT X19 S, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find calendar and click on it. Then tap at the month above and select a date. When you're done, click at this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choose event. Then customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by clicking on all day over here. You can also add people from your contact books, select location, also set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, and even take notes. When you're done, click save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. If you want to delete it though, you can always click on it and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Following that, click on delete, then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!